Welcome to Cloud Tech Nexus Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will focus on Linux Samba file share server. This is a free file sharing solution that works with Linux, Windows, Mac, and other platforms that support SMB protocol. This is not enabled by default in Linux or other platforms. It is common practice to enable file shares in Linux server, but desktop offers a better remote experience in my opinion. So we will use Ubuntu desktop. Samba is available in other distros of Linux. See description for details. This file share is meant for on-premise access, not cloud access. If you want more remote access, additional steps are required. This will be a basic setup, so no cloud access. For file sharing cloud access, I would recommend an alternate solution. Nextcloud is a better robust solution for cloud file share access. Visit Ubuntu desktop download page and get the ISO, then burn to USB flash drive using Rufus, links in the description. Steps in the following order. After creating the Ubuntu bootable USB flash drive, insert into PC and boot to USB. Check PC manufacturer for what key to press. Select option to install Ubuntu. This will overwrite the drive, so be sure to back up any data on the drive first if applicable. Follow the prompts and choose your option to install Ubuntu. The name and password of the account will be used to log in Ubuntu and also access the file share. Other accounts and groups can be created later. Restart. Remove USB flash drive, then press enter. Log in. Skip online accounts. Next. No. Next. Next. Done. Click on the top far right corner for settings. With network selected, click on the gear icon. Ubuntu is connected to the network, but we need to manually create an IP address. Select IPv4. Select manual, then fill out the following IP info. This may vary depending on your network setup. Apply. Close settings. On the bottom left, open applications, run terminal. Enter the following syntax. Enter the administrator password. You will not see it. This is normal. Enter the following syntax. Enter the following syntax. Samba is verified installed. Now to create a directory and share. Enter the following syntax. Enter the following syntax. This is the share configuration file. You can make changes or create your own. This is a basic install, so no changes will be made here. Share changes will be made in the GUI. Close terminal. Click in the top far right, Restart Ubuntu. Log in. Bottom left, Applications, Run Terminal. Enter the following syntax. Enter the administrator password. You will not see it. This is normal. Enter the same password again. Done. You will now be able to log in to Shares. Now to update the shared folder, exit terminal. Open File Explorer. Data Backup. Right-click, Properties. Select Permissions. We only need to change Other Access. Now others will be able to create and delete files. Select Local Network Share. Click Share this folder. Check Allow others to create and delete files in this folder. Create Share. Share is enabled and visible. Other accounts, groups, and shares can be created later. Samba server has a static IP address of 192.168.1.100. Let's log into a Windows PC first. Start menu, search, appwiz.cpl. Select Turn Windows Features on or off. Check all SMB features. OK. Restart now. Log in. Open File Explorer. Select Network. OK. Turn on network discovery and file sharing. Yes. Search. CMD. Ping server IP address. Ping 192.168.1.100. Server pings. Start, search, enter path. / 192.168.1.100 /. Click on the share. Log in. Copy path. Let's test the share. Create a notepad file. Drag the file into a shared folder. Open the File Explorer in the Samba server. The file is available. Rename file. Name file is changed. Delete file. File is deleted. Create file. The file is available. Searching for a share is only temporary. Mapping the share is more practical. Add a network location. Next. Next. Paste path. Next. Let's leave the default name. Next. Finish. Samba share is now mapped. The mapping will remain even when you restart. Let's restart. Log in. Double-click share. Log in. If you check or remember my credentials, you won't need to log in each time. If this is a shared profile, then leave the box unchecked for security. Able to log in, share, create, edit, and delete files. Let's access the file share on the Mac. If hardwired Ethernet, disable Wi-Fi. Network preferences. Open utilities. Sharing. Click file sharing. Select options. Check local user account. Enter local user account password. OK. Done. SMB file sharing is enabled. Close sharing utility. Go. Connect to server. On the Mac mapping, the path is slightly different. You have to put SMB first as follows. SMB : / 192.168.1.100 connect. Make sure registered user is selected, then enter Samba share credentials, connect. Select share, OK. Share is connected. But unlike Windows PC, you will need to reconnect if you restart. Let's do the same test as we did on the Windows PC. Able to log in, share, create, edit, and delete files. You can create other profiles as shares or backups, share media or other files. Keep in mind this is on-premise and not an online share. Being that Samba is hosted on Ubuntu desktop, you can install a remote tool to access the server remotely. See description for details. This concludes how to create and use Linux Samba file share server. All steps complete. Thanks for watching.